Hello and welcome back everyone to my video. This is my All. And today we are going to take a look at the Galaxy or Samsung Galaxy A72. Is this still worth it in 2023? Let's find out. Is the Galaxy A72 a worthy use for 2023 when this phone was launched in March 17, 2021? Judging by the thickness of this box, you can really tell that there is a charger on this phone. Compared to the Galaxy A73, it is significantly thinner. This one is thicker. So let's do the unboxing. Here's the phone. There is your SIM ejector tool. I didn't expect this phone to come with its own clear silicone case. And that is a good addition to the Galaxy A72. In the box you have here your charger. My A73 only comes with the charging cable or the data cable. But with the A72 you have a charger with a 25 watt brick. Your Type-C to Type-C charger. Now for the main course, it's the smartphone, the Galaxy A72. Here you go. Now this was supposed to be my upgrade phone before, and about 6 months before the release of the Galaxy A73, there were a lot of leaks already coming out and spreading out online and what would be the Galaxy A73 would be. So I ditched my plan to upgrade with this phone and went over with the Galaxy A73. But for this time around, I want to check out how cool this smartphone is. There are some features of this phone that the Galaxy A73 doesn't have. So here is the back of the phone. You can see we are rocking 4 camera setups, same with the Galaxy A73. At the back here at the top, you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, your main 64 megapixel camera, and here is a macro or depth sensing. I think this is depth. Your flash, and then lastly here, this is your telephoto. My Galaxy A73 doesn't have a telephoto, which is a bummer. Yes, Samsung has upgraded it to 108 megapixels on the Galaxy A73, but it doesn't have a telephoto. This phone has a telephoto. So before we get into the very details of the phone, let's look on what's on the outside of the phone. So on the sides first, you have here your microphone, your SIM card, and micro SD. So this is a hybrid slot. You can fit 2 SIMs, or you can go with 1 SIM and a micro SD card. Also, you have a rubber ring around it, which means this phone is IP67. It's IP67. It's waterproof for 30 minutes up to 1 meter. 1 meter. At the left side, there's none. At the right side, you have your power button and the volume rockers. At the bottom, you have here your speaker. So by the way, this is a stereo speaker, dual speaker setup. So one from the earpiece and at the bottom. So this is a stereo speaker, USB Type-C port, and the last of its series to have the headphone jack. On the front side here, this is the screen. This is a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. And this is also 120 Hz. Also, I forgot the camera at the top here is 32 megapixels. This phone supports 25 watts fast charging. It has a 5000 milliampere battery. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 256 ROM. So yes, this is the 8 gigabytes, 256 gigabyte version. There are other smaller variants, but it would be best to go with this option. It also supports RAM Plus, but I would turn it off because it's not helping with the performance. It's also using the Snapdragon 720G. A52, A72, they're both similar in specs. It's just that the A72 has a bigger screen, it has a slightly better camera, a larger battery. there's not much of difference between the A52 and A72, and that is why many people went with the A52 because it was much more cheaper. And then suddenly the A52s came with the Snapdragon 778G, which is similar to my Galaxy A73. Also, the advantage of turning off the RAM plus is that your system will be a lot faster because it doesn't have to depend on that storage as a RAM. So it's more on the physical RAM itself. Boot times are much faster, the apps and everything. So turn off RAM plus because it's not gonna help you. 3 years of OS and 4 years of security, while the Galaxy A73 comes with 4 years of OS and 5 years of security, which is similar to their new flagships. Now with the A72, you get Android 11 out of the box. I have already touched the phone and I have upgraded this one over to Android 13. There you go, this is the phone. It's beautiful actually. Now let's all test the video, and at the moment this is on 480p 60 HDR mode. So yes, this phone also the Super AMOLED display on this supports HDR. Now let's use a higher quality for this. So let's go with I guess 1440p, and let's start the video first again. There you go. Now since this comes with dual speakers, I will let you listen to how it sounds. Also, I'll be setting this one to Dolby Atmos music. There are different options. You can go with auto, video, no, it's movie, music, or voice. So for voice heavy or speech type of audio file or anything that you're watching or listening, you can go with voice. For music, it would be best to choose the music option, and if you're watching movies, I would suggest you go with movie, as it really makes a surround sound. Even if it's just the phone, it can give you a surround sound effect. So let's go with music, and we'll play some video. Now that was the video or display test and also the music test or speaker test. Now let's go with the camera test. So I'm going to flash some photos and videos with you, including the zooming of this telephoto. I'll also include some of the videos I have with the Galaxy A73, comparing its video and zooming capabilities. So let's go. Now that's the camera test. Now let's go over to the gaming test. Alright everyone, that was my testing review and yeah, unboxing and gaming with the Galaxy A72. I really hope you liked this video everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow me on Facebook and Twitter. I'll put my handles down below, and also comment down below any of your thoughts about this. As always everyone, see you on the next video. Bye!